Let's be real, winter can be brutal, especially on your skin. Dry air, chapped lips, and don't even get me started on dandruff. If you're tired of looking like you just walked out of a snowstorm, this video is your cold weather survival guide. Stick around, because today, I'll show you a simple, affordable, and study-backed winter skincare routine for men that will keep your skin hydrated, miles away from dandruff, and your lips kissable. Yep, even in freezing temps. Let's dive in. Before we jump into solutions, let's quickly talk about why winter is so harsh on your skin. Cold weather, low humidity, and indoor heating all combine to rob your skin of moisture. Add in neglecting skincare, and you're left with flaky, irritated, and aging skin. But here's the good news. With the right skincare routine, you can fight back and glow up. First things first, ditch the harsh cleansers that strip away natural oils. Go for a hydrating, fragrance-free option. Try gel-based to lock in the moisture. Here's a pro tip. Moisturize while your skin is still damp. This locks in hydration and gives your skin a protective barrier. Use something with hyaluronic acid or Vit B5 for extra moisture retention. Don't think the cold weather gives you a free pass. UV rays don't care about seasons. Opt for a lightweight, non-greasy sunscreen with at least SPF 30. Chapped lips aren't just uncomfortable, they look bad. Use a lip balm with natural oils or beeswax to keep them soft and hydrated. Your beard needs love too. A dry beard can lead to itchiness and beard dandruff. Use a beard oil or balm to keep it soft and moisturized. Plus, it helps you smell amazing. By the way, if you're all about leveling up not just your skin, but your entire lifestyle, I've got something perfect for you. My digital guide habit and lifestyle transformation is a step-by-step roadmap to transforming your habits, routines, and mindset. It is filled with productive methods which you can apply immediately in your life and guide to becoming the best version of yourself. Hit the link in the description to check it out and start your glow-up journey today. Lastly, drink water, guys. Your skin needs hydration on the inside to reflect it on the outside. Use a gentle exfoliator once a week to slough off dead skin cells. This helps your moisturizer work better. So there you have it. A winter skincare routine that's affordable, effective. These tips will have you looking sharp all season long. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And as always, subscribe for more grooming and self-improvement tips. And don't forget to grab your copy of Habit and Lifestyle Transformation. Until next time, stay hydrated, stay warm, and stay glowing.